Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a fail to send message on Instagram. So guys, if you're using Instagram Messenger and want to send messages and messages are not sending or unable to send messages or fail to send messages, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings and make sure that you have connected with strong Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, you have to turn on your mobile data and make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And after this you have to open your general tab here, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your device. And after this you have to check your date and time. Make sure that date and time set on automatically. And guys, after this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store here. So guys, as you can see, simply you have to open your app store and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, when you have search here Instagram, you have to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you have to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And after this, from here you need to find your Instagram app, open your Instagram and offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.